How often do you let fear of not being good enough stop you from chasing your dreams? What if that perfect moment you're waiting for never comes? Waiting for perfection is what keeps most people stuck. But what if you didn't need to be perfect to succeed? What if all you had to do was start? Imagine letting go of the need to be perfect and simply starting. What if progress, not perfection, was the real goal? When you embrace imperfection, you open the door to growth and freedom. Successful people don't wait for perfect conditions. They act. Why wait for a miracle when you can create your own path? Taking action, even if it's messy, is what sets achievers apart. We often underestimate the power of small steps. Big change is nothing but a series of tiny actions added together. Climbing a ladder, one rung at a time, may seem slow, but each step brings you closer to your dreams. Why wait for giant leaps when small steps can get you started today? Mistakes are not failures. They are the building blocks of success. Every master started as a beginner. It's through mistakes and practice that you learn and grow. What if you embraced those mistakes instead of fearing them? Real learning happens when you dare to act, stumble, and rise again. Fear of failure can feel like a cage, but what if I told you that you hold the key? That key is action. Unlock your potential by letting go of fear. Progress doesn't come from waiting for fear to disappear. It comes from acting despite it. Imagine starting as a tiny snowball at the top of a hill. At first it's small, but as it rolls, it grows bigger and more unstoppable. Momentum fuels your success. Once you start, nothing can stop you. What small step can you take today to get the ball rolling? There will never be a perfect time, but there is today. Circle today's date and take that first step, no matter how small. Every great journey begins with a single move forward. Remember, perfection is the result of action, not a prerequisite. No one is perfect at the beginning. Every expert was once a beginner. The secret isn't perfection, it's consistent practice. By practicing, learning, and improving, we become who we aspire to be. Start rough, get better, and watch your progress unfold. So what's really stopping you from starting now? Embrace action, embrace growth, and leave perfection behind. Every step you take makes you stronger. Every stumble teaches you. And every moment of courage unlocks new opportunities. Let go of perfection and take control of your future. Every step brings you closer to the life you deserve. Start today. Don't wait for the perfect time. It never comes. Take a step today. Embrace imperfection. Mistakes are essential to growth. They're not the enemy. They're your teachers. Focus on momentum. Begin with small actions. Momentum will carry you further than waiting ever will.